Hello guys! Magandang buhay! At ngayon ay mainit-init na sa mga hiking trail kaya dito naman tayo sa NAN LIAN GARDEN na kung saan ay isa sa classical garden dito sa Diamond Hill. Located at 60 Fung Road, Diamond Hill, Wong, Kowloon. Near Diamond MTR Station, Exit C2. NAN LIAN Garden is built in the Tang dynasty style, besides adorned with characteristic timber wooden structures. How to get there? Tara, sundan natin to. Ayan, mula sa Diamond Hill, exit tayo ng Exit C. Sa Exit C, paglabas mo na MTR, kanan ka, and then, diretso ka ng kaliwa, tapos hanggang sa marating mo yung stoplight, tawid ka, dyan yung entrance, and then, yan na, tsaran! Ang dali, yan. O, diba, ang bilis, ayan ang loob, guys, ayan, enjoy! And also, just, please, follow me also to my YouTube channel, MsBXB Vlogs. Please likes and subscribes there. See you there. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless everyone and have a good day.